Siguro gakahitabo kani kay because in the past kita sa business community gahilom lamang, no, but the way things are being open in the public, this is a time na, no, to really let our political leaders know that enough is enough. Dili na gid ni maayo, no, because what is at stake is really the future of our nation, the future of future generation of Filipinos. Kaming negosyante maogoy ma-burden gid, no, sa pagbayad sa atong taxes, no. So imagine nimo at the start of the year mag-renew kita business tax, no. Ang real property tax, no, pag abot sa April atong income tax, no, sa kada transaction doon ay value added, no. So medyo ga-follow kita, no, ug unsay angay nga buhaton and just to mahibaw na lang nato na wala man di ay ginagamit sa insakto, no. So medyo sakit gid paminawon, no. In fact kanang among slogan nga fight corruption, no. It stands for ano, sir, kanang fight, no. Doon nami dugang karong bagko, no. That's forensic auditing, no. Ang F, no. Kay kung i-trace gina ang flow sa money, no. And I hope the Independent Commission on Infrastructure, no, with si ma'am from SGB, no, will lend their expertise murag ma-follow gid ang flow, no, kung asa ginapadulong ang maong illegal nga transaction sa Lawrence, no. Of course ang I stands for integrity, no. We demand no less from our political leaders, no, na public office is a public trust, no. So they have to conduct their being political leaders with the highest degree of integrity, no. Of course ang G is good governance, no. We all deserve, no, as a nation, sa Filipino people, na kinahanglan gyud nga ayuhon ang pagdala sa atong paggoberno, no. Of course ang H stands for human development because kung example, no, kanang budget sa education, no, kung dili gina siya gamiton, no, so dili matrain ang atong mga estudyante, which is the future of this nation, no, sa maayo nga mga kurso nga angay nila pahakon, no. And of course ang T is for transparency, no. Kay kung thankful ta, no, I hope nga kanang blockchain technology, no, i-employ na gid na siya, no, para nga ma-trace yun, no, ang pag-conduct, no, sa business at most transparency sa Lawrence, no. So kanang among kuan, no, kanang byword nga fight corruption, do na gina say meaning, and we intend really, no, to participate in whatever forum nga para nga ang voice sa business community, no, sama karon, no, at least madunggan.